Welcome back, makers! Today, we're diving into a beginner-friendly block we know you love, the PetalStripe quilt block, featuring our latest fabric collection, Anthology by Bari J, bringing a lush celebration of vintage florals and bold designs with shades of pink, plum, olive, and blue. To elevate this block, we've paired it with stripes from Bari J's Legacy Blender collection, bringing a touch of tailored elegance and making the mix of patterns and bold directional prints feel effortless and fun. Fabrics feature, cutting requirements and measurements are in the description of the video. Remember to press your pieces after each step, sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and most importantly, have fun. And the PetalStripe block is complete. Just look at how effortlessly the prints from this collection come together, mixing florals, stripes, and textures in a way that feels balanced and beautifully designed. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel for more project inspiration. Until next time, happy sewing!